Hi friends, I am Ali. Today back here again with a new video. Today in this video I will be giving you the concept of while loop in Python. In my previous videos you can check I have given the concept of for loop as well as different programs by using the for loop. But as you know, in Python there are two kinds of loop. Number one is for and number two is while loop. These basically the purpose is same but there is difference in between them. Today I will be discussing while loop. So first of all I would discuss you the basic concept of structure regarding while loop, so it will be very much easier especially for the beginners. Now this is the structure of while loop. First of all, I will tell you about some for loop. In a for loop, I just write in the code for I or any variable in range, and then I will write the print statement. But in contrast, in while loop, there are some special steps. Here you can see the first in the while loop is to do a initialization of value. It means if I take a variable in while, then I have to set some initial value of it, then writing while in the syntax, and then in the parenthesis or without parenthesis you have to give the condition you want to put in the while loop. This is the basic concept, and after writing your all code under the scope of while loop here, then after one more thing you have to mention is the incrementer or decrementer of the value of the variable you took in while loop. I repeat, there are three basic steps. Number one is to initialize the value, then write the while with the condition, and if the condition is satisfied, then all the code which you have written under it will be executed, and at each and every execution there will be incrementation or decrementation on the basis as you have given to it. So I am now going to give you the practical explanation by going towards our PyCharm, which is our IDE. So here I have already imported a math library. How you have to write the while loop is, I am taking a variable I equal to 0. This is the initialization. Now I will write while, then under the parenthesis I will write while I less than or equal to 10, then the semicolon, and under the scope I will write the print. Since I am giving you just the basic program, print I. Now you will see, but here one thing I am missing is I haven't mentioned the incrementer or decrementer. So I am giving the incrementer here, that I want to increment it every time by 1. So I am going to run it. Here you can see, starting with the 0, which is the value I have initialized for I, it will print every time the loop, and it will be incremented by 1. While I is 0, it will come to this parenthesis and the condition will be checked. Since 0 is less than 10, it will print it, and then I will be incremented by 1, and then 1 comes in, it will again check, then print. In the similar way it will go down until it is 10, because I have written greater than equal to 10. Sorry, less than equal to 10. It means it will run till 10. This was the basic concept of while loop. Now I am going to give you an example by writing this while I is equal to 10 again, and then I will write print I. Now it will be more clear to you if I write some syntax with it, how it happens, and I will give double quotation I am Ali, and then I will write I is equal to I is equal to I plus 1. Now I am going to run it. Sorry, I have made the semicolon here, then I am going to run it. Scratch 180. Now you can see I have printed I am Ali 10 times in it. One more thing which I want to show you is I can change this value. It is upon yourself how you want to give increment or decrement to it. So now I am going to change it like this. I am erasing it, and now what I want is I want to go from 0 to 10 by jumping one number. I mean I want to go 0, 2, 4, 6 like that. So what I will change is I can change the value I want to increment. Now I will give I plus 2. Each time the I will be incremented by 2. Here you can see now I have 0, 2, 4, 6, skipping one number after each. This is the contrast also with the for loop. In the for loop, if I wanted to go to 10 from 0, I will write for I in range 0, 11. So it will run 0, 1, 2, 3 till 10, and it will not skip any one of a number between them. But in while loop, it is upon yourself how you want to have the numbers. This was the main and basic concept of while loop. I will come up with the more program like for loop with the patterns as well as some more programs of concept. But hope you have liked this video of while loop, since my viewers wanted me to give some lectures upon while loop. So this was all from today's video. Please like and share my videos. If you haven't hit the bell icon, so please hit the bell icon now and subscribe my channel, the Tech Park, and so that you will be connected with more such new videos, especially the beginners. And I will back again. So please share my videos and like them also. I will meet you in the other videos. That's all from all of today's video.